Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH, Bacho. Wow, him be a memo aquaba. FM members. You run an aquamediaco or quacono, or your bema chess or bema kukudro. But just a sabi or a bema usinsumo ham. Now, much more the kind of things that man has done for Ghana. Interesting stuff. Now, quite sorry, no, or Nyamiase. Nyami say, Bibia Mumofa Asedamame, to Sabi when the first. Odi ted okwa koda nyamiase na yewra agenasare ho no kwasori okaniama bia mpesa wokoti bi yenkoti mra.
Nana, congratulations. Congratulations. I think so far you are topping the independents.
It is a content crown on
Congratulations. Because once you decide to run for, I remember when he told me he wanted to run. I said, hey, Mama, Nana. They will scrutinize you. They will go to where you were born. They will bring stories about you. They will create issues about your wife. Sure you want to do that? He said, I'm convinced. I said, as your spiritual father, I give you my blessing once you are convinced. Amen. And we thank God for his life. We want to
First of all, elections. There are three things: win, draw, lose. That's it. We call the win or lose. Aye. Yenya bema bia oye kukudu 40% na kwambediako debi. Na mebo madwen kire Ghana for. Ghana for bi di na chi edu ba bi omusi o ono kra di na chi enkosia ga. Sa woto waba man na me so meto ma bank ne ono no president. Yewra na kwambediako onye usika. Sabi onye obi a oba be patcho se monto aba mame. Ghana na atente apansam intina no pese oye Ghana yi. Batu ni bibi waja legacy. Ono ni the only presidential candidate or the manifesto buyer. Say NPP NDC will agree on take it that manifesto and make it a national manifesto. Yes. Because so we share the time durations of manifesto him. The way to get the things done. And the kind of changes our person the back Ghana who said this is the blueprint for Ghana's progress. But as usual, black man and the agree yanko. I still will go NDC MPP. But when me be, Rajana say oba and nam say eh na na beti me. But also what kwokuden on no time I born figure. The President-elect Mahama born in some. Because when we say that's boy, make us say that boy, that's man, that fearless man, he has a potential, he has future. Okuno after he start you new baby media na minim say 2024 no what we call jumping pad and na ye gina so agina yi. Na 2028 and na ye fa apunya no. Iti campaign no ye beginning se si a ye ntwa ma adeche ente so. Mo hwe me the new force ye na ye ya san sore ye be soja gum baabi e be ko ye ne be bonsem baabi a enko ye no ye be ka ye se oye oye as a gentleman na kwam be dia ko press conference as a president-elect wa konkoden wa yade na mbom adwuma no e da ho twen wo ekotie mra
be pese me boma baso mo ama support me nyina dodo na nim se me sinya sika na me be ma wato ama me na mom se opese oto a to enso Ghana fo a kire me se yes e do ho e mo mo to ye na be bia me gina ene me hu se nya Ghana fo so aka bia nka me gina platform we so kra nka ne ka me kasa asem we na me pese ndasie ene nhira na me de mamo ye nyina nya ye penti na ye na mom ye mba bi ene Ghana bia obefa ne tuma pa bia frenti ena ma ye nyina ya bom se ye ne ye ti me pese hu se nya ma ya ma me no mani aso mani ajeku na me pese me de mre we so be da President-elect His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say me manamo so what me afa aba no one nikuo e de omo sembe tu dwa ene omo no ma bi omo ye na nam enoma bi a waye fitititi Ghana for ekai say ya kwan say ya airports say ya development it has contributed to what Ghana is today eno ene mama reshimu bi say so no ba be ye kan difo eni da so to beti mafri no waba because waye bi da no ye ne so asem bi amba ho na mom asempa ene tv e ba ye na ebi mo den bi enim kane ane ade enso omu free so no na enoma aba together enti ene mi gina ha me pese wono so me bona baso na me mana mu se man e dia shene sa e ye man already problems wa ha me free say ono de so de the cabinet and the parliamentarians or more and the ministers a beboma crisis be cut down now yetimia manage home for the next 4 years I'm yetimia koyenim and you and I'm to me and you see what said your money here me for biano near party are in the ruling power and so hear me metimia ya abwa it's a policies ye de buy a bi say be Ghana beboa Ghana say o mampanyi ka say enhusu bi nyemfanya adwuma it is for the sake of the nation I stand by that and I'm here say me support it omo ene Ghana man nyame so kakra me wona metimi dia bo man I am ready and count me in say I will always stand by the country the nation on that note me person like I said me support it President-elect John Dramani Mahama and I may congratulate him so. Senior person we biano and an Yamismith Mia Diabuani or Yabiano. I am here to do so for the nation, for the country. Thank you.
I also work okono nemo meko aprono onye any sabi hopelessness amihu ye no. You need to do something about it. Sabi yakase a leader who problems now of finding solutions. Enti obo the president-elect koko say adwuma na wo wanim eso adwuma we nye yenkonom champagne adwuma we nye yenkopa girls adwuma we ye hands on deck a wonim say nyame asan chew biem yewa Mahama nyame amaw a second chance for a reason nyankopon ma second chance it means say your first time nyankopon wuni ye it's all second chance and you be no second chance even at life but nyame second chance it means say nyame adwuma no ne wudo Mahama e baba ni mu wieye intime pa chaw time we a time as a move forward now to me making sure say Ghanaians will be better off. That is what Nana Kwame Bediako is saying. Now to the soldiers, new force. This is a time I be taking off seriously. You be making sure say we put the presidency on its toes. Now you're making sure say that will not Nana Kwame Bediako say you mon afen na you be bon mu kesiye. E bia wonya ready ba me be bruise dem I ready. You be bon dem no no be who say papa no manifesto nsem no kan ya fa nya adwuma na Ghana ye di ho apro ai aha Xposed GHFM bembo subscribe ya subscribe me be the pa na no saka be manuel si bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.